Number 1. Cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Cleansing, toning and moisturizing are effective festive glow tips which can be done through charcoal face wash or any other best face moisturizers. Number 2. Exfoliate regularly. This is an effective festive glow tip which is used commonly as a skincare tip that helps in dealing with dead skin, clogged pores and so on. Exfoliation protects the skin from radical damages. Number 3. Use of serums. One of the commonly used skincare tip or hair care tip is the use of serum. It is an effective festive glow tip which helps to maintain the glow throughout just like a face moisturizer. Number 4. Double cleansing. One of the best festive glow tips is double cleansing, which is also a skincare tip focusing on skincare post makeup. For double cleansing, use the best face wash to reduce or remove any kind of acne. Number 5. DIYs for glowing skin. Festive glow tips are used in different ways by different people as the impact of skincare tips varies based on the type of skin. Homemade festive glow tips which consist of natural products helps in enhanced protection without any kind of side effects.